Let me give a brief introduction about this session. So this is a free program we are conducting. So today and tomorrow. So today is 16th July and tomorrow 17th July Sunday. Both the days we have this program. So today I will be taking on the W.D Gann's concept. So here I have outlined two most important Gann technique. So here trend reversal date is very essential that you should know, because no other study other than the Gann study has the capacity to calculate the trend reversal date. No other study other than Gann studies. Then how you can identify the intraday, weekly, monthly price trend, top and bottom. So that also intraday, weekly, monthly, all those top and bottom, how you can able to find out. So that also we'll be discussing with a very small Gann concept. So these two concepts will be on W.D Gann. So tomorrow I'll be taking on the option credit spreads, how you should construct the credit spreads, when to enter and when to exit the credit spreads, and how to backtest it. Backtesting also is very essential. So recently we have come with our new software tool which we have released, and it is in the last phase of the integration. Once it is over, within few days, maybe by the next week, you will be getting an update. Those who are using the option strategy tool, so they will get an update. So that tool will simplify most of your option strategy constructions. So with this new feature, so we have simplified the tool to such an extent that anybody can form the option strategy. Whatever the raw knowledge or little knowledge they have, they can able to form the option strategy. It will become a child's play. So to such an extent we have brought. So that I will be demonstrating tomorrow along with specific credit spreads. So these 2 day sessions will be there, and it will be two sessions in a day. There is no restrictions. You can join English and Hindi both sessions. English session morning 9:30 to 10:15, 45 minutes. Again Hindi session after a gap of half an hour, 10:45 to 11:30. So tomorrow and today, these 2 days, and very important concepts, and it is essential for any trader. Even though if you know the Gann technique also, you must join this program. The reason is there will be a refreshment always. So you will get refreshed, you will be same calculations will be means get some more clarity on that, and you will get more you can say more optimistic on those strategies or on those methods. So that is the reason why I used to conduct these programs very often, so that same subject can be processed again and again. And it is very important for any trader. Like every day you are trading, every day you are eating, every day you are brushing your teeth, every day you are taking a bath. So everything is a habit. So for that reason only, for a trader, every day you must devote minimum half an hour time for your studies. So studies is very important. Every day you should do it. That practically I also do it. Every day, one part of your time, you have to make it as a habit. You must do some calculations, something you should study on the trend forecasting. So that will keep your mind in a good shape to take a good decisions in your trade. So that is very important. And certain announcements. So we have couple of minute time. So here that we are going to start the option online course. As I said, this year we have very few paid courses. Two are over. This is the last course for the year. So on purely on the futures and options and pair trade. So this particular method or particular program is scheduled in this month of July, and this particular program is starting from 22nd of July. If you are interested, you can join in this program. So this is the last program of this year, paid program. So post July, it is very rare that we may come with some program. So free programs times to times it will be there, but extensive programs will not be there. So if you are interested, you can join in this program. So that is the schedule is, you can visit our website under webinar link you can get. And as a specific to this particular program, so today we are conducting this program, and today you can say that we have different topic to discuss and other things. So obviously many of you, those who do not have the products and other things, they will be asking that we need some product on Gann or on any of the tools. So it is obvious factor that many ask for the discounts and all. So it is only for the webinarians. Every time we come with a program, so we come prepared to give some discounts and other things. So for this particular program, as a participant of this thing, if you want to go for the Gann software and one standard deviation software only. So there we are giving a hefty discount, and all softwares also we are giving some discounts here. So if you get all our softwares, no courses will be there, all our softwares, option strategy and other things. So that link are already given in that presentation. So the presentation what you are downloading, the last page I have put that link. If you are interested, go for that. So this is about the program, and today we are going to discuss this Gann study. When I say learn and experience, that means whatever we will be learning, we must see in the outcome that yes, market is accepting these calculations. That is called as learn and experience. So here the technique will be mathematical, and this requires lot of calculations because Gann's study itself is full of calculations. So two very important things we will be learning in the Gann. One is trend reversal date calculations. Two is the price action technique to identify trend confirmations, tops, bottoms, everything. They're very simple methods. Why trend reversal date calculation? This is a single day phenomenon. However, this trend reversal calculation is available only in Gann study. No other study has the trend reversal calculations. Other than Gann study, no other study has. So Fibonacci some people use, Elliott some people use, but accuracy is not even 25%. So here, at least the accuracy in the timing front, it maintains above 65%. Sometimes it goes to 70-75%. Means if 10 trend reversal dates are coming, out of that 6 or 7 days are going to work. So this method we are going to learn, and price action technique also will be learning. So I'll be going with the trend reversal date calculations. For this calculations, when I say it is a calculation, you require two or a couple of data. What are the data points you require? Suppose I am going to calculate the trend reversal date for July. I have put it for the July, not for August, it's July. So if I want to go for the July, I need the data point for the June. So June, when the high has formed, when the low has formed, all this data point I want. This data points is essential for my calculations. So I found out, say, on the last month, June, Nifty spot. Here I am taking this Nifty spot level. 3rd June, it has made a high 16,794. Then on 17th June, it made a low 15,183.4. So this is the high and low has formed. Which are the days it has formed? I found out. Now I have to take some calculations. So once that calculations I need to do, so what are the things I require? I need the price range between the high and low. I need the calendar dates or including Saturday, Sunday, everything, I need the number of trading days in between this 3rd June and 17th June. So I am going to forecast which are the days in the month of July I'll have a trend reversal, trend change, and it is a single day phenomenon. Once the trend change happens, don't expect that trend has changed now, it is going to continue for entire month. Not like that. So do remember 4 data points: when the high has formed, when the low has formed, what was the highest value, what was the lowest value at that particular date, because we require the timing calculation. Out of this 4 data, we have taken out 3 processed data. One, price range between the high and low, number of calendar days between the high and low, including Saturday, Sunday, holiday, everything. Then how many trading days. So these 3 data we have taken. Once we've taken these 3 data, we have to convert this data to the degrees. So you must ask me how to convert a number to degrees. So that you can get it in my YouTube channel. So if you just visit to any of our Smart Finance website page and hit on the YouTube channel, so here I have plenty of videos. So if I can just search here that Gann trend reversal date calculation or anything, so you will get plenty of videos to convert a number to degrees. Even though if you don't have time to go through that, what you can do, the presentations what I have given you or the Excel sheet what I have provided you. So in that particular Excel sheet, if you just click on that value, the degree conversion, so the formula you will get how the number is being converted to degrees. So we have converted these 3 processed data to degrees. So 1610, 158 degrees, 15, 112 degrees, 11, 12 degrees. So what is the point of converting into degrees? So degrees, what is the need? So first we got some, any technical analysis we are studying, they are only processed data. Add this thing, subtract this thing, find out a indicator, find out a oscillator. So that doesn't speak about a degree. What made this Gann to think about a degree? So that is very important innovation in our technical analysis. He is the only one man who has thought about degrees and price and time. So why this is a degree? So degree is 4 degree is equal to 1 minute. So what happens here? 1 minute. So degree and time is having a direct relationship. Price is not having a direct relationship with the time. Degree is can be converted to the time. So if I can convert a price to degree, then I can convert the degree to time. So for that reason only, in Gann study, extensively this is being utilized. Any number you are getting, price is a number only. Any number you are getting in Gann, various Gann studies, it has to be converted to degrees. So once it is converted to degrees, all resistance, support, everything should be calculated in the degree terms. So we have converted to degrees. After getting these degrees, if you are learning about the GANs, some books and all, they will be talking about very complex theories like squaring action, square this with that. So these are the things I am not going to tell it here because those are the very complex things. It is beyond the imagination of any retail trader. So if you are a researcher, you can think, have ample time to study, then you can go with that. However, here, in a very simplest way, that squaring varying part we will be removing completely. We have 3 data, processed data from 4 raw data that we have converted to degrees. Now we will be taking the smallest degree and the highest degree. 12 degree is the smallest, 150 is the highest. Once we get these 2 highest and the smallest degrees, what we need to do, we need to find 3 numbers in this 12-degree trend line or 158-degree trend line. So you must ask me, whenever I am seeing this price time chart, I can say that it is a 90-degree curve. So this is the x-axis and this is y-axis. All my candle bundle is being drawn here. I am seeing a price time graph like this. So how I can 12 degree, it is understood, okay, I can take a 12 degree, so draw a trend line. So it is not exactly 12 degree, it will be very high. So just I am drawing it, so you accept. So 12 degree trend line I can draw. But when it comes to 158 degree, how I can draw? So then what happens, on 90 multiples you can take it, take out the 90 factors, whatever the left out you can draw. So that is for your understanding. Actual things is entirely different because here we are taking semi-log scale. So all of you are more concentrating on the candles. Candles looking green, red, white, all things we are concentrating. But have you ever thought that a Reliance is trading at some 2000? Its graph also look like same size candle and all. Tata Steel is 800. Its graph also look like same. Bank Nifty also trading at 33,000, 34,000. Graph also look like same. Fine. One price is too big, one price is too small, but all graphs are looking same time. Why the Bank Nifty graph is not big? Why its candles are not big wide? Or why the this particular Tata Steel's graph should be small or the candle should be tiny? The reason is the graph what you are using on the computer screen or on your technical analysis software, that is known as a semi-log scale graph. Semi-log scale. In the logarithmic value of that particular things is being taken. So everything is being converted to a number less than 100. So based on that only the graph or chart is being drawn. So that is itself is a vast topic. If you have a specific interest, you can learn it. What is a semi-log scale? What is the use of that? So semi-log scale, if you can take in the same semi-log scale in a 90-degree graph, you can even draw one 720-degree trend line. You can even draw a 900-degree trend line. It is a semi-log scale. So semi-log scale, all degree trend lines are possible. So what I was conveying here, so do not get confused that 158-degree trend line, how it can be drawn. 12 is easy, but how 112, 158-degree trend line can be drawn in a 90-degree price time graph. So that I was conveying you, because the graph what you are seeing, it is a semi-log scale. Any big degrees trend line also you can able to draw on that. So here we are not going to draw, we have a specific formula. So in that formula, if we will be putting some numbers, so we can get three numbers in the same degree trend line. So 3 or 4 or 5, any number of numbers you can find. So that formula also I will show you. So once you get this 3 or 4 or 5 numbers in the same degree trend line, like in the 12-degree trend line, I am getting 10, 28, 53, 86. All these numbers will be lying in the 12-degree trend line. So if I add these numbers with the low formation day or the high formation day, so you can say here I am just adding 28. 28. So here, once I add 28, I will get the first line. So this days, if I proceed, I will be getting one days, and those days trend reversal will happen. So we'll go to the formula. So yeah, as I said to you, number to degree conversion, the Excel sheet what I have provided. In that value, if you just click here, you will get the formula of that. Same numbers in the same degree trend line. This is the formula. 2 into n plus 2 into a divided by 365 plus 1.25, it is a constant whole square. What is n? N should be 0, n should be 1, n should be 2. When you want the first number 1, second number 2, third number 3, zeroth number is 0, fourth number n should be 4. What is a? The lowest angle or highest angle. So if we are taking 12 degree is the lowest angle, so a will be always 12. When we are taking 158 degree, so that time a will be always 150. Only n will change from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So taking n as 1, I am getting 11. Taking n as 2 and a as 12, I am getting 28. Taking n as 3 and n a as same 12, I am getting 53. Like this way, all numbers I have. So this two also, if you just click on this particular cell, you will come to know what is the formula is used. So 1.25 is a constant, 365 days in a year. So 365 is being taken twice of angle. So this is the formula to find the numbers in the same degree trend line. So what we are doing now, after these numbers are being found out, I'm just adding it with the low formation day and the high formation day. High formation day, 17th June and 13th June. I'm getting different dates. Some days will fall in the June, some days will be in the August, some will be in the September, but I am more concerned about the July. So after doing all this calculation, I am getting 1st July, 3rd July, then 10th July. So 10.16.96 is there. We can also go to 4th July. So nothing wrong in that. So it is rounding off date calculation. It is getting rounded off in the 3rd July. So here, these are the days trend reversal will happen. So currently we are at what? Which day? We are at 16th of July. Today we are in the 16th of July. As I said in the beginning part of the program, whatever we learn will experience means whatever the calculation will do, market must accept it. Then only I will be confident. It is working. If I am more confident to get 1 crore salary, then I will toil and go for the IIT. Why we have so much crowd for IIT, IIM? People are fighting for that. Crores of people are writing that exam. Parents are day and night pressurizing the child to go for IIT, because IIT means you will get a 1 crore salary, you will have big cars, big bungalows, and I will be very happy with a proud father of a child. I will go. So that is the reason why outcome is more important. So we are tuned to that. So what happens? These are the days trend reversal is going to happen. 1st July, 3rd July, 10th, 15th, 24th and 26th has not come. We'll see whether it has happened or not. So that is very important. We need to see it is a happened or not. And some days also will be holiday. So these days what we have calculated, this has not considered that some days we may fall on the Saturday or Sunday. Some days trading will not be there. If the day, very carefully listen to this, if the calculated day is a holiday, then the next trading day or the previous trading day, the trend reversal will happen. So this is what we got. So 3rd July, again we are going for 15th July, 10th July, 1st July. So go back to the price. I have put the pricing here. 28th June to 15th July, I put the price here. So you can see here 3rd July. So here, so these are the dates. I just mark it. You experience whether it has worked or not. I am taking closing basis. So trend reversal can happen in the, so 1st July, then 3rd July was a holiday, so 4th July we can get. Then 10th July is a holiday, so 11th we can get. 15th July, yesterday also was a trend reversal. So 1st July, you can say that 1st July, 30th June is a negative closing. So we have expected positive, it has gone to negative closing again. So it has failed. 1st July, it has failed. 4th July, so 1st July was a negative closing. So we must expect trend reversal. Means what happened? Opposite will happen. 4th July, we have expected. So it has worked. Then we'll be going to 11th July. So 10th is a holiday. So 10th is a holiday. So 10th is a holiday. I think it has worked. So here, so 10th July, 10th July. So 10th July was a holiday. So we can expect on the 11th July the action should take place. So it has not failed, it has worked. So here we have expected negative opening or negative closing should be there, because 8th July was a positive day. So opposite will happen. So this also worked. Worked. 15th July, 14th July is a negative closing. So 15th July, yesterday we have seen, though morning it was negative, it has closing basis, it has gone to positive. I have taken all positive. So out of these 4 trend reversal days which are over, 4 trend reversal days which are over, out of these 4, 3 has worked, 1 failed, 3 has worked. No rocket science, no hanky panky in these calculations. But we are taking monthly high of previous month high, previous month low, which day it has formed, its price range, calendar days, trading days, converted everything to the degrees, lowest degree, highest degree, using the degree in the same line, numbers in the same degree trend line. We calculated the numbers, just added with the low formation day and high formation day. These days we have calculated first, third, 10th, 15th, 24th and 26th are due. So far 4 trend reversal days are over and we are experiencing on closing basis. I am not going to confuse you. It has opened here, gone high, gone low. So closing basis, on closing basis. 1st July we failed. 1st July we failed and that was with a we have expected positive opening and positive closing. It did not work, though there was a positive opening was there, but it did not sustain. So we failed 1st July. 4th July worked perfectly. 11th, 10th is a holiday. So 3rd was a holiday, 4th should be taken. So here 11th July it has worked perfectly, though it is a small negative closing. But if you just go to the 11th July, so we have gone to 16,150, and there that also worked. This also has worked. So this also has worked, and you can another one beautiful part of this analysis you can also observe the monthly high of that particular month means July month's high and low. Very carefully you listen to this part. July month's high and low, which has happened or which is going to happen, will happen in any of these days. So all this trend reversal date, whatever you are seeing out of these 6 days, so out of these 6 days, the highs and lows will happen. That monthly high and low will happen. 90% cases it will happen. Like you can say July month's low so far 15,511. This one happened on the 1st July. That was a trend reversal day. So far you have, so 13th July, the you can say here we have gone till high. If I can just look into the high, so far the highest value is 16,275. This is the happened on the 8th. 8th we are not having a trend reversal day. Instead we have a 10th. So 8th and 11th both qualify for a trend reversal day. So it is an ambiguous day, but in fact you can just wait for the month end. You will find out the monthly high also will happen in any of these trend reversal day. So this is the powerful nature of the Gann's method. So all of you must follow it. It is one of the most beautiful studies which give a precise understanding on trend reversal day. So what you should do? So all this calculation I did. So it is nothing to do with the Jyotish. So it is all things I have done it perfectly. But what next? How I should utilize it for my trading? 320 to 330, I'm going to close negative. So 14th is a trend reversal day. I must see that there will be a trend reversal action should take place. It should be a positive closing. So if I am a Nifty trader, because here I am doing for the Nifty calculation, 315 to 320 or 320 to 330, I'll be buying the Nifty future along with a hedge because it is an overnight position. The position can work, cannot work. So I can buy a future. So whatever the value is there, 15,938 or 15,950, and along with one 16,000 put option, I can buy. 16,000 put options, I can buy it. So you can say it is 245 rupees or something the put option was trading, and it was 15,935 or 938. I'm going to buy the future. So what happens next day? end-to-end basis, if I go for that, so then that will be a good profit I can make. There is no further study I have to add it here to make it a cocktail. So this study says this. Based on this study, I go, because here there is a out of 4, 3 has worked. So there is nothing to prepare a cocktail here, end-to-end basis, that we can go for. So this is how we should take the advantage on 14th towards the end. So 14th towards the end, we have to take. So it is going to close in 5 minutes. It is not going to bounce back and give a 100 point of closing. So 320 to 330, you understand, it is going to be a negative closing, and we are going to take the positions on 14th, and will be hedging our positions along with a put option. So hedging is purely your discretion. If you don't want specific headness towards the hedging, then you do not do. But as a mature trader, as a trader for a longest period of time, or as a trader who believes on specific concept of risk management, I will tell 100 times, 1000 times, million times, billion times, you must hedge your trade. All trades should be hedged. So irrespective of whatever beautiful study or powerful study you should use, the future trades must be hedged. So this is how the trend reversal works. So when it goes to our software, so this is a calculation we have studied, one calculation. So similarly, we have given here low angle, high angle, these two methods you have learned now. Same dates are coming in the software. We have static angle, Gann angle, high low, hexagon, price range. So summary, all 5-6 Gann methods is broken. We do have a scanner here. So if we give a scanner button here, if you scan, what it does on next day, whatever the trend reversals are going to happen based on these methods, these clearly it gives you the name of stocks. Which of the stocks are having trend reversal actions on the next day, on Monday? These are the stocks having a trend reversal action. So you can able to take a formulated decisions based on that. So along with that, other Gann studies also we have given. So this is one of the simplest study which eliminates all your calculation only with just relying on the trend reversal action. You can take some calls, and these are the trend reversal major actions. These are the days the new high, new low can be formed. I have given here. If you look into this part, so some major trend change is going to happen based on this. Certain methods are minor trend change, like this minor trend change, small correction, consolidations will happen. So when you know the consolidation days, what you have to do? Short strangle, sell something in the options. So those are the days, beautiful days for the option selling. Those are the days consolidation is going to happen. So you should utilize this particular tool based on your own convenience. So Excel's and this thing has no differences. Sometimes, since it is being done in the Excel, sometimes this calculation related mistakes will come. 16.96, it will be rounding up to 17, 17.23. It can truncate some number. So these are the things we have to. So these are the things will sometimes will give you some kind of mismatch in the software and the Excel sheet. Because the Excel sheet is only for specific purpose of learning, and that cannot refine the specific calculation. Sometimes the round of errors may occur between the software and between the Excel sheet. So 1 or 2 days you may be getting fourth there, you may be getting 3 here. So that happens because of the rounding of the numbers. So this is one of the part you need to understand. This is one of the beautiful method with a very smallest effort you can able to make use of that. So there are 2 more days. Calculations are there, 24th July and 26th July. See that what is the outcome is coming. Then you believe. If you are saying that no, why should I learn now and put my effort? Let me wait till 26th July. So I will see how many more days are working. I will be, then after I will be learning. You can do that. Very well, you can do that. Excel I have given, PPT I have given. So it is a free session, freely given. No money is being taken for that, so that it will have been pain that I paid it and it doesn't work. So this one method at least you master. So there is point to say that this one method. Why? Because this is the only method available for trend reversal calculation. No other methods are available in this world so far other than the Gann method who can who can predict the trend reversal date till date. So this is the part of our Gann study. One more method we are going to learn: price action techniques to identify the trend confirmations, tops and bottoms. All these methods we are going to, or intraday basis you can do, positional basis you can do, monthly. So here what happens, this is a very smallest method, and those who are having my Gann book, they'll be knowing that price to price squaring actions. Those who are having the course, there also I have explained it to price squaring. So earlier method what you have said, we have seen everything in terms of degrees, resistance and support lines in degrees. So normally in the chart and graph, what you are saying that whenever you are chart and graph software you are doing, you master how to draw a line. So if this is there, you draw a line like this. And many big chatists used to tell that they draw one line. So with their own finger, with by putting this thing, so they put some line and they give some judgments. So here is the support, here is the resistance. This is what I expect it to happen. Blah blah blah. Many things will be there. But when it comes to the Gann study, Gann is very particular. He doesn't say that you draw the line as you like. But now all our chatists, those who are seeing the TV channels, what happens? They will draw the line as per their wish. This is my trend line. This is now Ram Sam Dak Hari. Anybody comes, he draw one line. He said that my trend line is this. So everybody can draw the line and give their own opinions. But Gann is the only one person in this entire technical studies world. He said that the trend lines cannot be drawn as per your wish. Any point you start, any point you go. There should be a rule. There should be a specific decorum for that. You cannot draw the lines as per your wish. All trend lines should be done at a particular angle: 30, 90, 70, 180, 270, 300, 500, 600. It should have some decorum. So you cannot draw simply like this and tell this is I hope it will happen. Hope is always hope. You should, when there is a study should have some concrete definitions. So here Gann study says that all 30 multiple angles, price action points, any price falls on this trend line, 30 multiple, 30, 60, 90, 210 are small resistances or support. 45 multiples are the big resistance or support. So, and 90 and 180 multiple angles creates the tops and bottoms monthly or daily. So just having very three lines have 30, 45, 90. Some places what will happen, 90-degree reflects here, 90-degree reflects here, 90-degree also will reflect in the 90. So these are the most important angles, most important resistance or supports it will become. So every multiple it is there. So 30-degree multiple, 45-degree, 90-degree. Same way 180 degrees also there, 360 degrees also. So what we are going to do here, as we know that, so as we know here, what we are going to here, all the resistance and supports will be calculated. So what I did here, I have just gone for all 30-degree multiples, same Excel sheet what I have given you, 45 multiple, 90 multiple, 180 multiple, all these multiples I have taken. Now I have to calculate resistance and supports. So this is the June month high. June month low, and this is the June high. June high. So from high, supports will be calculated by subtracting. From low, the resistances will be calculated. And as per the Gann formula, how the supports and resistance is being calculated? Square root of a number from the low means square root of 15,183 added with degree factor and whole square. So what is a degree factor? So Gann has taken 180 degree is equal to factor 1. So if I say 30 degree means what will happen? So 30 degree equal to 1 divided by 180. I said that there is a lot of mathematics in the Gann. So without calculations, Gann difficult to do. So degree factor of 30 degree equal to 180. 30 divided by 180. So first numbers square root to be taken, degree factor to be added, total whole square should be taken, double multiple should be taken. So that will give you the resistance. Same process if you subtract the degree factor from the high. So here the square root of high 16,793.8. So if you take the subtractions and take a whole square, you will get the supports. So 30, 45, 90, 180, all this I have taken. All this I have taken multiples. I have calculated the resistances and supports. This is what I have done. Monthly data, June month data. What we are going to find out? Monthly resistance, support, monthly top and bottom. So your end, monthly data we have taken. Which month data? June month data. What we are going to calculate? July month top and bottom, July month resistances and so on. I think it is clear to you. This is our objective. How to calculate that formula? So 30 multiple, 45 multiple, 90, 180 multiple, all this thing we have calculated. After calculating this thing, have a introspect on this value. So far, July month, so far, the new low can be formed, new high can be formed. July months, what happened? July month's low is 1st July 15,511. High is 16,275. Now we are at 16,000 and also. Whether it is somehow coming to our calculation. So what I have told you, smallest resistance and supports 90 multiples. It is creating the monthly tops and bottoms can be created. See the calculation. 240 degree is coming 15,514. This is a monthly bottom has found 511. You have then you have 45 multiple, 90 multiple also giving the same thing, and 180 multiple also will give the same thing. 180 multiple also same thing. So 180 because these are the common degrees. These degrees are present in. So 360 degree is here, 360 degree is here, 360 degree also is here. So 90 degree, 180 degree, 45, all are having 360 degrees. So monthly top and bottom will form. So far what is happened? From where reversal happened? 16,275. This is calculation been done in the June data. I did not tell the market to fall from there. I did not tell the market to rise from 15,511. Who told this? Who told this market to rise from here, fall from here? Simply, so Gann is telling, Gann is no more. Gann is not an operator. All operators are using this? No. See here what happens. Whenever we go for Gann's study, prospective way you have to think. 360 degrees, when we are saying 360 degrees is a complete cycle. One circle is having 360 degree. Sunrise to sunset is 360 degree. So 360 degree is a complete cycle. Your earth rotates 360 degree in 24 hours. So when the object, the planet where you are staying, that planet itself is moving at 360 degree in 24 hours. So 360 degree is very important. So 360 degree is sitting in every cells of your body. It is sitting in your every minutest corner of your thought. It is sitting everywhere. Hiddenly, it is ruling you. These angles are hiddenly ruling the human mind. So we are the humans trading. So if our mind is ruled by something, that will instruct us to do something. That is the reason why most of the time some of the Gann angle we reverse, we found out it off. So what is the next part? 16,279 or 16,000. This is the toughest resistance. Once this gives a penetration, once this gives a penetration, and this all things is once this gives a penetration, so then we will be finding out the next one 360, so 45-degree next multiples in the higher order we can find. So this is very important. So far in the July, whatever is happened, it is perfectly aligning with our calculations, with a very minutest difference, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, which is negligible. In a Nifty like things, 3 to 4 rupees of deviation is acceptable. 10 rupees also acceptable. So these are the very, very important studies we need to understand and we need to follow. And even though if this high is being violated, is being crossed over, any point after 15th July and new high is being formed, you will also find out that should be in the 360 multiple or 90 multiple, some other angle, maybe 407, maybe 535, maybe 664. So this also will be is one of our 180 multiple. So you can say 939 one. So these are the things it can monthly top and bottom. So same data if you take for one day, previous day you will get for the next day. If you take for 15 days, I have taken previous month. You take 15 days, you will get next 15 days. You take for 10 days, you get for the next 10 days. You take for the previous day, you will get for the previous. So this is the Gann's price action technique or price to price squaring technique. So this technique also very simple, very powerful. So very simple and very, very powerful. Very, very powerful method. So these are the things you must utilize. So there is a paid program on futures and option, and this will be the last paid program for this year. So that is going to happen on 22nd July. If you want, you can register for that and register for that. So this is the webinar link you have to follow. And obviously many those who are not having the our products, so they can procure our products if they are interested, if they think it is not a compulsion that you have come here means you must buy some product, not like that. So we are not such kind of company at all. So here those who have specific restrictions, they won't use any new technique, they will not study, they will not have mathematics is allergic to them, calculation is allergic to them. So I used to say that better you don't take our product. Our product is not for them. So our product is for those people, those who trust that yes, there is a definite calculation which drives the market. There is a calculation based on which market moves. There is a calculation based on which your sunrise, sunset, your solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, everything happens based on one calculations. So that if they trust on that, then our courses can change their trading life forever. Many traders from 2004 to 2022, few lakh traders has got changed their life. Those who are having trust, yes, this is a mathematical model, I will follow with proper discipline and I will get success. And those who are thinking that no, market is by operator, market is for speculator, market doesn't have any study, I will not study, I will not allow anyone to study. So those kind of people, our software, our products is not at all useful. For them it is not useful for them. So so these are the things is entirely not useful for them. Those who are thinking that yes, market is by specific method, then for them it is very